Hey, welcome back. And today I'm going to show you how to add depth to your photographs. I mean, you can do this in camera, and if you can, it's a great way to really make your photographs pop. So for starters, if you want to add a bit of depth to your photographs, you can add some saturation. And what you'd be doing is adding saturation to the subject and desaturating the background. That's the same with warmth. So you got warmth and coolness. So you could put like a light blue shade in the background. You could either and make the subject again warmer. It can be shaded, of course. Sharper. Again, we've got the image is quite sharp, and you won't worry about sharpening the background. Contrast is the fourth one. And what we do with contrast and blur. So as you can see, the subject here is really contrasty and the background is blurry. So what you choose is up to you, but that actually worked quite well. And lastly is darker and lighter. Something that is darker will stand out more in the image than something that is lighter. So imagine a silhouette. So you can use the inverse for this and they both work well, but these are the 5 points. I hope you like how to show depth, and maybe we'll show you how to do a few of them soon.